Hello everybody, happy Painting Fairy unboxing, yay, finally my design show up that I ordered, and that is, my friends, a Halloween stuff that kind of too late probably right now for you to order, but if you like design you definitely can go ahead and order for next year. When I saw this design on sale, I quickly grabbed my wallet and ran and order because there's almost everything I like about this design, besides one little thing, and I will show you what it is. So let me just pull out everything from the squeaky bag and we will talk what I have in here. It kind of took quite some time to receive this package. Probably they have lots of orders, so maybe we'll be behind a little bit. Let's see if we have in here same toolkit or something new and exciting. Sometimes they put some extra little tiny teeny toy. Let's see, no, nothing new in here. It's the same toolkit. 20 needles of size 28. So much reflection, can't even see ya. 3 spools of threads to park if you like to do that technique. I do this all the time. Please watch my video. I've recorded every single day, so please join my channel, subscribe. Oh, this one is big this time. They are big, too big. Okay, so this is Halloween costume. Oh, looks like those little ghosts in our dresses. I can talk with my fingers now. Not sure where, no, maybe this video will be uploaded before actual Halloween. We have in here little scissors that is super sharp as well, and they have the banded blade, so it's easy to cut thread under the canvas, which is comfortable as well if you don't want to flip your frame. By the way, I did review a flip frame. Make sure to watch my videos, check them out. We have something rosy. I didn't have something like this for a long time, something pretty. Usually it's lots of brown lately. What is this DMC code? 3774. Oh, that's a pretty skin color or rose color, but definitely, like, if you create fancy ladies designs, this is definitely for the skin color, would be beautiful. Egyptian threads, by the way, yes, they 100% cotton, from Egyptian cotton, so very good quality threads. You can order the whole palette because Painting Fairy have the whole collection, even new that like start 1, 2, whatever those numbers up there. So same thing, booklets in every package. Half thread is made from cotton, nothing mixture, all natural, my friends. And let's see finally this design, because when I saw this design, it went on sale, and I think it's still for the good price if you want to order. Links and discount code will be under my video in the description box. You can save 5% by using discount code Natalia. And look at this beautiful design. I love in here everything but not those skulls. Oh, I cannot stand skulls. I do not like them. But everything else, look how pretty. Look how pretty. Those ghosts, I like the ghosts. They are cute. The scary pumpkins, angry. And I was just thinking, maybe I should do, like, instead of skulls, turn them to the little pumpkins. But that would be lots of work to try to figure out to cover them with different colors to make as the pumpkins, right? So I might just going to make it as it is. Yeah, the town, like, cemetery up there, I didn't even see those, but that's okay. Look at the tree, how beautiful. Look at that sky. I wonder if that's French nuts up there. Oh, me flying over the moon. Look at this. It's Natalia and a Mercedes. Oh, love this tree and the purple tree behind and those ghosts. Everything's so pretty. I still like that they have lots of flowers in here. Beautiful mansion. I love the roof design. Look at that. You can stay on the peak of the roof up there. Oh, that's where my land and parking was. I parked my broom up there. Oh my god, this design, it is beautiful. Out of my breath, I'm talking so much and fast. Design name called Halloween Screaming Manor. Manor? Where you put your loud point? Manor? Oh my goodness, I don't know if I even pronounce correctly. So yeah, looks good. Very colorful. Very colorful house. Looks so pretty. Oh, I wish this design will show up sooner. I might would start, but now it's a little bit too late. So I will save this one for next year. I see lots of people stitching this around the internet, so I'm kind of enjoying watching. But for myself, it's a little too late already to stitch. I will stitch this for next year. So if you decide to order, please do, and we will create like in the beginning of even, let's say, September, fall time. So from September and October and November, we can even stitch this one like for a whole 3 months. So please order if you wish to stitch together with me, because you know me, you don't ask me twice. You ask me once, I'm on it. I'm ready to go and rock and roll. Now let's see, we have in here 59 colors. Looks like it's more colorful, but there's lots of repeated colors in here, like the tree and pumpkins. It's the same colors, right? So is those colors on flowers. Yeah, so I'm sure I will trust, because Painting Fairy cross stitch has a very good rendering of the symbol wise, and the print always is so good. So 59 colors definitely will be good enough, and it's only full cross stitch. That's it. No more extra stitches, no back stitch, just a pure enjoy. And looks like this pattern a little bit smaller square. Sometimes they print bigger one, but also very good and good clarity. Similar symbols always in a separate boxes, so you can learn them first before you stitch, so you don't stitch different symbol, like have a dark blue and light blue on the same symbol could be. So discover for yourself first this, and then no problem of stitching, and it's a full cross stitch, and that's it. Now design, how big design? Oh, it's bigger than I thought. Okay, let me get up, move the chair away so I can see better from the top. Okay, threads we will check in a minute. Let's see canvas. Okay, canvas is a little bit bigger than I imagine in my head. This is a 16 count. Oh, there's lots of choices up there to choose, you know, 14, 16, 18, even 11 count. And 11 count, I believe, was much more expensive, and price was very chopped on a smaller, like on a higher count. So I decided, you know, 14 and 16 is like the more comfortable to stitch. 18 count, it's a little bit you pushing your eyes already, and I really enjoy 16 count lately. So I decided, okay, so 14 count will be still bigger picture. 18 count would be too much on my eyes right now because I have lots of projects, but 16 will be like just right. So here it is, look at that. We have huge amount of fabric in here, and basically all the way around, a little bit smaller portion in here, but still good enough, bigger than the other company would give you. And the print clarity, look at that, you can see everything in here. You can see in here me flying over the moon. Here I am, look at that. Symbol wise, maybe I need to bring camera down because camera create a little bit shadow. Hold on, is it focusing? Oh, look at the symbol wise, how beautiful. Let's see some busy area. How about tree, like nice pastel colors, but symbols is good clarity as well. Oh, I wish there would be like still lots of time till Halloween, but unfortunately till this video go live we're gonna have like just a couple days left. There's no really time to start Halloween now, as it's finishing like right behind on a corner, but definitely for next year I would love to work on it. So my plan is before next Halloween I have to finish as much as possible my older designs. I have lots of older designs that they are much like small designs that I can finish like 10-15 project, no problem. Oh my goodness, look at that for those trees. That's a pretty two brown colors, and together they look so mysterious. What is this? 3371 for the brown one, and this one is 919. Oh yeah. Because you know 9 create like a 6 when you do upside down, but good thing 1 is point, and so you know it's a 999. Plus you have to look from this half the ends, so if symbol could be like 9 or 6, you know, that could be tricky. Okay, that's our extras, and then here's our palette. Let's open and enjoy. Give them a little bit shake for the breezer. Oh, purple. When I think of Halloween, I always think purple, orange, and green, and we have lots of pretty purple colors in here. I'm going to use this cover picture to display my threads better. How about that? So we can see them in one layer, not in two, like that. Oh, so now you can see good clarity of each color. Pretty purples. And then look at this one. Oh, I love this color. Definitely it's going to be probably some on a tree, some on the flowers. This beautiful red one. Oh my god, the camera is not even want to pick it up the correct color. What is going on? What is going on? It's so vibrant that camera don't want to show correct color. Oh, with this light maybe. Look how beautiful. Wow. Okay, next one. Oh, we have some yellow. Just look at that. Only one strand in here, and just the one of the green one in here, one of this color. So yeah, some of them we have just no, here's 2 of each. Some threads just need a little bit, probably on the flowers maybe. And here's more. Oh, see, like in here this colors and this one goes together. Oh, because it's a one up there, because maybe some of these colors we have in here. Look how pretty. That's it. This, no, this is 920, and this one, no, this is 919. So it's very close shade. Oh wow, it's really close. No, I can see the difference though. This one a little bit darker. So yeah, this together kind of make a nice shade in together. There. And then another side. How close we want to see. Okay, so 2 palettes in here are threads, and design is really festive. Beautiful. Lots of things going on. Every time you stitch something, you see a little element popping out of your canvas. So much is going on in here, And I really love those flying ghosts. They are the most fun part for me in here. Yeah. Schools, my goodness, I have to get used to them. I don't like the death to see that, but that's the part of the Halloween graveyard. Not my thing either, but all together, after all, we create great Halloween project to display every year in your house. What do you think? It's amazing. It's very good. Plus, I think it's still on sale. You still can order for half of the price. I think it's like a 50% or so. Is it? I know it was a very big discount. It was like 60 something, I think, and I bought it for 30 something. I don't know. It was a good price. I can't remember now price, but I will put link under my video so you can check. And please order if you wanna stitch with me next year. If you wanna start now and finish by next year, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. And canvas, yes, print always good clarity. Paint's coming out very nicely from project when I washed a smaller one. I did have on a very little tiny canvas of that I was stitching. What I was stitching last one, little tiny mini design, the pink red color, kind of a little bit stuck. I emailed them immediately and they immediately changed color from red, I see, to blue, so no more destruction, no more problem. They fix them like in a seconds. So I really love this company, and I love to stitch with Egyptian cotton. So good, no fray, no breakage, just all the way to the end. And obviously I'm stitching in one hole in and out in the frames or hoops, Q-snaps. So this is very long lasting threads. I love to stitch because I just received like a few minutes ago on TikTok question about this, if this is pure cotton or mixture. No, this is like 100% stuff. Good pure clarity of it, you know, or how you say it, purity of the product, 100% cotton, and I love it. So thank you so much. Yeah, sorry it's kind of late review for this design. I'm sure you already saw probably some other YouTubers reviewing this one, but I'm so happy that I actually received mine, and I'm going to keep this for next year of whip and chat together with you. So get yours and we will stitch together. Thank you so much right now, my friends, and I will see you tomorrow.